How to set a solid or gradient background color for the lock screen and home screen on the iPhone 17 series. So from the home screen, you want to go into settings. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on wallpaper. Next, tap on add new wallpaper. From here, select color at the top here, and then select your preferred color. You can also tap on this button at the top here to select a color from the grid or spectrum or slider. Okay, so if you have a reference number, you can use the hex reference number and put it in here. Okay, so if you don't have any, you can use the slider here, or you can simply use the grid to select your preferred color. Okay, after that, you can use the scrubber to increase or decrease the intensity of the color. And then after that, tap on add, and then choose set as wallpaper pair, and then swipe up to return back to your home screen. Now this will set both for the home screen as well as the lock screen. If you want to customize so that the home screen will have a separate solid color, you can touch and hold, then tap on edit, then tap on edit wallpaper. From here you can select a different color, so tap on color and then tap on it again, and from here you can choose a different color. And we tap on done to close that. Here you can choose the intensity of the color and then tap on done. You can also choose a gradient if you want to use the gradient options. Then tap on done. And that's it. So now the home screen will look different to the lock screen. Thank you for watching this video.